Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay August 20, 2023 Sunday at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong August 20, 2023 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Sunday, August 20, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for August 20, 2023, Sunday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 15.8 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 49.5 million pesos for Sunday, August 20, 2023. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of August 20, 2023, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.